Hey guys, welcome back. Last week I just didn't know what to film. I didn't want to do a makeup tutorial because I feel like I have been throwing a makeup tutorial at you guys and I didn't know what else to film. It's kind of hard to do tags and challenges with somebody else and bringing in somebody to my channel because it's hard to get the same day. I didn't want another makeup tutorial and I was just stressing out, so I just decided to just not film. I have a surprise for you. I did film on Saturday with my husband. The husband does my makeup tag. So that video will be on next week, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to let you guys know that it was just one of those days or weeks where I'm like, I feel like I'm doing the same thing again and again and again, and I don't know if you guys like it. I know I haven't posted any reviews about new makeup. I know there's tons of makeup out there, and I did posted that on Twitter that there's tons of makeup out there that I wish I could get. I can't get all the makeup. It's a lot of new things, and I just went through a financial kind of problem, so I couldn't really spend money on makeup. I did buy new things this week, so I want to share with you guys that it's not easy for me to get to film with somebody else or just buy new makeup. I was just going through this time and moment where I couldn't buy new makeup to review it. If you guys can please bear with me. Follow me on Twitter so you can stay updated, and also on Instagram. I haven't been posting any Snapchat or Instagram stories. I wanted to just avoid social media. I feel like social media makes you feel sometimes good, and then a lot of times it also makes you feel so bad. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if I'm explaining this right. I just didn't want to post anything. I just wanted you guys to know what I have been going through. It's just I feel like social media can consume you in a way, so that's why I decided to kind of just not post Instagram stories. I am back posting Instagram stories. I'm trying to keep it coming. I'm trying. It's hard sometimes, you know. Enough rambling. I decided to film this Caribana makeup tutorial because I had done this I think 2 years ago and I never filmed it. So here I am. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. I think these colors do go for Caribana makeup. It's very, very nice. I also did my nails. I wanted it to do them yellow, first of all, because I am obsessed with yellow right now. I've never gotten yellow on my nails. This is the first time, and I don't regret it. I freaking love it. Anyways, guys, this is not a talk through makeup tutorial because I wanted to get ready with some music on, and I don't want this video to be super long, so I am not talking through. So these jewels that I have on that I placed with the lash glue, I got these at Dollarama. So these are basically just jewels for your phone case, so they're already sticky, but I removed most of the stickiness and I keep them in this little box right here. Alright, so please don't forget to thumbs this video up at the end for more content like this, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification since the husband does my makeup tag is next week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Edmonton. I did film on Saturday. The husband, Jesus. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. No. I think that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, mommy. Ay, no mojé mi esponja, espérame.